Hello
guys.
everybody!
Welcome back to another unboxing of a collector booster box of the Lost Caverns of Ixalan.
We are very excited.
I'm very excited because this is my box finally.
The boxes have
I've been waiting
coming
so long for this.
So we'll see if Danny is lucky. So far all the boxes that they have been opening have had crazy things inside. I haven't been that lucky, but there have been really cool cards that I wanted to pull. So
first pack.
Here
Hopefully
we
we get an emblem of the Jurassic World.
Jurassic World emblem. That would
Here's
be
the
really
token, and here's the back. Let's just put the tokens here. Okay, the iceberg.
I don't have the dinosaur.
Creator, Viper, a
Swampy.
This guy appears every.
Oh,
yeah!
you got the dinosaur!
I wanted this one. It's
The dragon,
crazy.
dinosaur, dragon. This card is really good. Yesterday at pre-release, one of our friends was using it.
Yep.
And
he killed us. Well, he almost killed us.
And it goes out of control.
Woo!
Nice.
I wanted this
so
one.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh, do you know DNA? DNA.
And you got Killan. You wanted that Killan
Yes,
in that art. And now it's
love
foil. Hey.
this art. I'm gonna put the old tech art, the Jurassic World, and the Mythics here. Okay. Now we are going to open the second pack.
On to the next pack. But that was a good start.
Yes. Dinosaur token.
Look, oh my goodness. You have to come on.
Wait.
We're going backwards now.
It's backward. Oh, yes, it's foil. Bad God. I really wanted this one too.
I think you have to go up
Oh, yeah. I had to go like this, right?
Yeah.
Well, sorry. We got an island. Jurassic Park.
Now turn it around and we'll see.
Oop, sorry. Let's see what we get. Maybe we get another cool Soyoa tunnel grind there. Deep Fathom.
This card is good.
March
of the Colonized.
And an
Ooh,
Impacard.
an Impacard.
I'll put
Showcase.
the rarest ones here. Let's keep going. Okay. Oh, I think I didn't have this one. Maybe.
Foil planes.
Earthshaker Dreadnought. Oh, the tortoise. I didn't have the tortoise. Ooh. The Soul Cleaver. Oh, I wanted
Admiral
this
Brass.
one.
That is so beautiful.
Oop, it's coming.
What's coming?
Get lost.
Get lost. And
Yay! A foil swooping Pteranodon. What is coming? Trumpeting Carnosaur and the treasure map. Let's put the mythic here. Alrighty. Okay, let's see what we get. I hope I get an emblem. The emblems are so nice. Oh, I hate this art. Vampire Demon.
ooh.
Threefold Thunderhawk. Oh, the Goblin Pirate. This one is cute. I like the art. Oh, I wanted this one. Pugnacious Hammer Skull.
Oh, you got the
Hunting
Raptor.
Raptor.
This is a good box.
Throne of the Grim Captain. And a treasure. Okay, where should I put this one? This here. Give me, please give me one of the emblems from Jurassic World. Let's see. Swamp.
That's a mountain.
Oh, I'm sorry. A mountain, yeah. Eat skin. The goblin pirate. The tortoise borderless. So cute. Oh, the bird pirate.
Francisco.
Francisco. Restless prairie.
Borderless.
Command tower. Screaming emergence and a copy. Let's see what we get in this pack. Let it be an emblem, let it be an emblem. The Raptor. Merfolk Wizard. Oh,
Clavileño.
Oh, yay! I wanted this one. Oh, Numinous Rex!
Yep, that one is for me. You
Yep.
already got another one yesterday.
We'll
We can
see
exchange it.
about
This is a trading card game, so I will give you Henry Wu and you give me that.
that. Yeah. Sure.
It's an even exchange.
This pack is oh.
Henry Wu made the Indominus happen, so it's a fair trade. See?
Maybe not. Forest. It's a special guest, and I wanted this one.
Aww.
It is a foil special guest, so cute. Restless Prairie, Poetic Ingenuity, Degenerate. Oh! Yes!
Wow. You have two of those, no?
I think I do.
All
Oh,
right.
I got the mountain! This one was the only one that I was missing from the Jurassic World lands. Nice. Okay, we are 5 packs away from
The box stopper.
the box topper. Let's hope we get an emblem or maybe a mana crypt. Look, Bembak. Deep
Good card.
Phantom Echo. The Ever Falling Well. I think I didn't pull this one before. Vito.
Vito. This is it. Oh, you got the
yeah.
dinosaur.
Yes.
In that
Gava!
art.
The special guest! Yes!
This is a good box.
Oh my god. Such a great box.
On to the next pack.
Next pack. 3 more to go. The Goblin, Plains, Bartolome, Unstable, Subterranean, oh, this is a nice art.
Yeah, this one is very nice.
Malcolm.
Welcome.
Command Tower,
Foil.
Nice.
How much did you say this was? Like $30? No?
I don't know
15?
how much the foil was. I have to double check. Wow. The foil one is so cool. And the command tower can never hurt. An extra one.
Yeah, it's always good to have another command tower. Especially us that would like to play 3 to 5 colors always.
Yeah. They're very helpful. Alrighty. We are down to the last 3 packs, including this one. Rampaging Ceratops. I wanted Clavileño!
In that art.
Oh, Restless Anchorage. I didn't have this one. Jurassic World Forest and another special guest!
Underworld Breach!
Oh
my
my
god,
God.
foil!
Ooh. This box.
This is a good box.
Let's hit one emblem. I'm hopeful.
Emblem,
Really hopeful.
Mana Crypt Neon. I really want to see those neon cards in person and see how they look.
Yeah, me too.
I'll see what the whole fuzz is about it.
Okay. Kutsil. Carnosaur. What is this? Queen's Bay Paladin. Savior.
from the commander decks.
Throne of Grim Captain. Another super.
Yay, one for me! Woo!
And a Molten Collapse foil.
Nice. Last pack.
Last
Here we go, last pack.
These packs are tough.
One more treasure.
If this one's really hard to open, it's because something good is coming.
We'll see.
We'll see. Oh, please. Okay. Malcolm. Abuelo's Awakening Borderless. I see something colorful coming. Yes! I wanted Quintorius in this art. Yay! 8 planes from Jurassic World, Amalia, and the map. A map.
Alrighty, let's see the box topper. What we got in the box topper? It's been a great
Quintorius
box.
here. And the moment has arrived. What is going on with these packs today?
Drum roll. What is it going to be? Oh my goodness.
I'm just gonna grab it like this. It's really.
It's foil.
What is going on? It's so hard to open this. Okay, here we go.
Okay,
Are you
what
guys
is
ready
it?
for the reveal? Temple Bell.
Temple Bell. This art is
Well,
this
at
art is
least
really
It's
cute.
different. It is nice.
Yeah, we've been pulling a lot of expedition maps.
Yeah.
That is not fun. Temple
Alright,
Bell, this
guys.
is cute.
This is the box that we got today.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
watching.
much for watching.
I hope you get awesome pulls like this one in your boxes. I know they have been delayed, but they're starting to arrive. Ours arrived. So good luck, and please subscribe, leave comments, and give us your support. It
Stay
would be
tuned
highly
for
appreciated.
more unboxings coming really soon.
Bye, thank you.
Bye bye, thank you.